I've been thinking lately, our parents stayed in unhappy marriages thinking at least he never left. And we fell for the people who text back on time and think that he's the one. Different stories, but same root problem. Both generations were romanticizing bare minimum. And I'm not saying this with judgment, I have done this too. The older generation confused sacrifice with love. Our moms, grandmoms, they were always taught that love means putting yourself last, enduring in silence, not asking for more. If the man didn't beat her, came home on time, paid the bills, that was enough. That was called a good husband. No one talked about emotional presence, about gentleness, about being seen. इसीलिए हमेशा से देखा होगा. That generation was so innocent. हमेशा सबकी केयर करना, हमेशा दूसरों को आगे रखना, खुद की नीड्स को दबा देना. So they stayed. They didn't feel loved. They felt obligated. And then there is us. Our generation confuses attention with effort. We have seen what not to settle for, but we haven't seen what to wait for. So now we overreact to crumbs, a message that just says, "Did you eat?" A heart emoji, a birthday wish. Suddenly our heart is racing and we think he cares. But that's not love. That's just basic attention. And we have mistaken it for something bigger because we are hungry for it. Now itna to samajh aaya. Both generations are emotionally unequipped. Our parents weren't taught how to express emotions and we were never taught how to process them. So they shut down and we overshare. But the result is the same. We never learned how to recognize real love, healthy love, grounded love. And that's where it gets dangerous. Our parents spent decades in loveless marriages. And we spend months chasing people who breadcrumbs us. They settled out of duty and we settled out of loneliness. Different language but same heartbreak. So now the question arises what to do. First, we have to unlearn this idea that love is rare or painful or hard to earn. Love isn't supposed to leave you anxious. You shouldn't feel lucky when someone is simply kind to you. Respect, effort, presence, that's the baseline, not the price. Our parents didn't know better, but we do. And that means we don't have to keep repeating the same patterns again just because we saw them growing up. We can break it, we are breaking it. Just remember, you don't have to be grateful for the bare minimum. You are allowed to want and wait for the real thing. If this felt like your story too, leave a comment. I would love to hear how you have seen this in your life. And if you want to hear more content like this, real, no fluff, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to this channel. Take care of your heart. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.